Hello and welcome back. Today I want to show you how to start corner to corner stitch. We will be making first 2 rows. I start with the slip knot, but you can connect the yarn to your hook any way you normally do and chain 6 stitches. Let's double count if we have 6 stitches. And with this project, I actually count the 3rd stitch from the project, but you can count the 4th stitch from your hook. So insert hook in that stitch and make double crochet. And make 2 more double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So you make a cluster of 4 stitches, chain 3 and 3 double crochet, and that's the end of your row number 1. So let's start row number 2, chain 6 again, and once again I count 3rd from the project, but you can count 4th from the hook. Insert hook in that stitch and make double crochet stitch. And because we're making cluster, we need 2 more double crochet stitches to complete our 4 stitch cluster. Now we need to connect 2 together. So what we have to do, we have to twist the first cluster to the wrong side and connect with the slip stitch. Just like that. And now you can see that you have 2 clusters. One is right side, one is wrong side. Also, the stitches are vertical and horizontal. Chain 3. In the middle of work, you always chain 3 and just finish the cluster on the top of your previous cluster. So the stitch is very simple. You always work in 4 stitches clusters on top of the previous one. The beginning may be a little bit difficult or like hard to remember how to do that. And that's it. That's row number 1 and row number 2 connected together. Hope this was helpful, and I see you next time. Have a great day.